Well, you do need to act today to get your stimulus check sooner rather than later.
That's one of the 3 things you need to know about the coronavirus today. So if you have not received your check already, you have until noon to sign up for direct deposit. You can do that using the Get My Payment tool on the IRS website. We have a link posted for you on ours, WTHR.com/coronavirus. And we do expect an update today from Governor Eric Holcomb about the coronavirus here in Indiana. The governor has cut down the number of briefings he's doing from 5 to 3 per week. Now they're just set to happen Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And the third thing to know is that later this morning we'll get an update on what comes next for Marion County. Matt's actually live with where things stand now. Hey, Matt.
Good morning. There's actually a bit of confusion out there about whether businesses can actually reopen here in Indianapolis on Friday, maybe on Saturday, or could it be a week after all of that? Take this Hardee's here in Indianapolis, for example. For about the past 2 months, it's been drive-through only. But the big question that is lingering here this morning is when will the dining room be able to open here in Indianapolis for all customers, of course, with social distancing in mind? Well, that's what we should get clarity on beginning today. Right now, Marion County currently has that stay-at-home order that is set to go through Friday, and it's unclear what will happen after that. So today, we should learn more information about what's next for businesses, because everything from haircuts to salons to spas to restaurants are all hoping to reopen immediately. So today, we'll learn more coming up here at a briefing later this morning. As it stands now, you can head outside of Marion County, really to any surrounding county or city to have those services done or to dine in at restaurants. That's because they are all under stage 2 right now. However, Indianapolis and Marion County isn't. So again, we will learn here at 10:30 this morning what is next for the city and the county here as we all try to move forward toward reopening the state. You can be among the first to know by watching it live as we'll stream it for you in our free WTHR app.
All right, Matt, thank you very much. It is 5:05, and we want to know when you will feel safe visiting Marion County businesses. Right now, 75% of you say this fall, and that actually just jumped up to even higher than that. So keep voting. Use our WTHR News app or head to WTHR.com/vote.
Well, there will be more deaths and coronavirus outbreaks if we try to open the country too soon. That is the blunt warning from Dr. Anthony Fauci.
There is a real risk that you will trigger an outbreak that you may not be able to control, which in fact, paradoxically, will set you back.
Fauci and other top government health leaders testified through video conference at a Senate committee hearing yesterday. Some more of the highlights here. Fauci believes a vaccine is coming, but says do not expect it by the fall. As for kids returning to in-person classes next school year, he says it will largely depend on whether kids can be tested. And the head of the CDC could not say when it will release detailed advice on reopening public places, which many states have already started to do.
State lawmakers facing backlash over a post on social media, but Representative Jim Lucas is standing by his post. Meredith is following this story for us this morning. Hey, Meredith.
Hey, good morning, Ben and Julia. Yeah, Representative Jim Lucas posted a meme to his Facebook page, and he is absolutely not backing down from it, even as many people say it was insensitive and racist. So the background to it, the meme shows Black children celebrating, and the caption, I'm going to quote directly, is, "We gon' get free money." He says it was never intended to be racist. He said he was bored the other afternoon making several memes, and that the meme was attempting to mock the government, the fact that they're taxing children and grandchildren, putting debt on their back to distribute the money that to all the people right now. So here's the post that he made, and you can see a lot of comments on there, 464 shares, and a lot of people saying you need to take this down. This is insensitive and it's racist. So then he posted this photo. You can see obviously the people in this photo are white. And then he went on to also post this photo. This is him in a cowboy hat, all with that same caption, "We gon' get free money." And he says he's not taking any of them down. He says everybody is too sensitive nowadays. Take a listen.
Too many people choose to be offended by pretty much anything right now. And I refuse to live my life, walking on eggshells.
All right. And Michael commented on it and said, if you can't realize why this is racist, you need to leave office. Barbie saying, I'm not even going to get into racist versus not racist. It's just poor judgment, and an elected official should know that. And then Alexander saying, if you think this is racist, you're probably racist. For people who don't care about your skin color, this is not that deep. We want you to join the conversation. You can tweet at us using the hashtag 13sunrise. You can always message our Facebook page, guys.
All right, thanks a lot, Meredith. It is 5:08 now. We do want to get you quickly caught up on some of the other coronavirus stories for you to know this morning. Kroger is offering drive-through testing again today at IPS School 90. It is free, but you do need to register first and take an online screening. And with Indiana hospitals doing more surgeries now, there's an immediate need for more blood donations. Blood centers are following social distancing guidelines to keep donors safe. And the Indianapolis Urban League stepping up to help feed hungry families. Around 500 families received food at a giveaway yesterday. The group is planning similar events in the future. And if you have to head out today, not a bad day to do that, Chuck. Just probably still need a light jacket out.